Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Google Chrome web browser where it says unable to access microphone. Please check system settings. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to first select the padlock icon next to whatever website you're having the problem with up at the top URL address bar. So go ahead and left click on that and then select Site Settings. For microphone, underneath permissions, you want to change this to Allow. And then go ahead and select OK. And then once you've done that, you should just be able to close out of the web browser. You will need to restart your browser for this change to take effect, and that should be about it. If you ever made a mistake or anything, you could always just go back to reset permissions too. But again, pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.